In the early beginning, when you finished your project, you need to export it in the high quality. To do that, go to File, choose Export, and press on the media. And here you will get the export settings. There is also the shorter way to get the same window, just pressing the Ctrl M. As the first parameter in the section format, you need to choose H264. That means you are going to save your video in the most popular MP4 format. After that, in the preset option, you have to choose Match Sources High Bitrate. That means that we are going to save our video in the high quality. Clicking on the output name, we are going to choose the folder where we are going to save our video, and also we can change the name of it. The last thing not to miss, go to Video, and in the basic video settings scroll down and choose Render at maximum depth. Click also on the Use maximum render quality. So, everything is ready, let's export our video. Guys, enjoy the video, let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.